Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm ShesPrettyRedd. Welcome to my channel, you guys. So in today's video, I will be doing another wig review for you all. And in today's video, I will be working with Unice hair. So they was kind enough to send over this unit for me to try out for you all. And you guys already know that I will definitely have all of Unice information in my description box below. Okay guys, so this unit is body wave. It comes with a natural pre-plucked hairline. It also comes with 3 clips and an adjustable strap, y'all. And it is 150% density. Okay guys, so the first thing I noticed with this hair is that it's so soft. I can run my finger through it. No problem, no shedding, and no tangling whatsoever. So right now what I'm doing is going in with my wax stick. I'm just applying this to the top of my wig just to make sure that it's as flat as possible. And then I will be going in with my hot comb as well. So I also wanted to let you guys know that I did not glue this wig down. This wig is glueless. I just felt like this would be the easiest method for me when I want to take this unit off. I could just take it off when I wanted to. So I decided not to put any type of adhesive or anything like that on this unit. Guys, so this right here is the finishing look. I love how it came out. I honestly feel like this hair is just so stunning. So yeah, I'm definitely going to leave all of Unice's information in my description, so definitely check them out. And thanks so much, Unice hair, for sending me out this unit. I appreciate you guys, and I do love the unit.